Exploring the psychology of consciousness and altered states of mind involves investigating the nature of consciousness, the factors that influence our subjective experience, and the various states of consciousness that can be induced through meditation, hypnosis, psychedelics, and other practices. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you delve into this fascinating field. Gain a foundation in psychology. Start by gaining a foundational understanding of psychology, the scientific study of behavior and mental processes. Learn about the history of psychology, major theoretical perspectives, research methods, and key concepts such as perception, cognition, memory, emotion, and motivation. Understand consciousness. Dive into the study of consciousness, the subjective experience of being aware of oneself and one's surroundings. Explore different definitions and theories of consciousness, including dualism, materialism, functionalism, and the global workspace theory. Learn about states of consciousness such as waking consciousness, dreaming, and altered states. Explore altered states of consciousness. Investigate altered states of consciousness that differ significantly from normal waking consciousness in terms of perception, cognition, and self-awareness. Learn about altered states induced by meditation, hypnosis, sensory deprivation, lucid dreaming, and psychoactive substances such as psychedelics, cannabis, and dissociatives. Learn about meditation and mindfulness. Study meditation and mindfulness practices, which involve focused attention and heightened awareness of the present moment. Learn about different meditation techniques such as mindfulness meditation, loving-kindness meditation, and transcendental meditation, and their effects on consciousness, mental health, and well-being. Explore hypnosis and hypnotherapy. Investigate hypnosis, the induction of a trance-like state characterized by focused attention, heightened suggestibility, and deep relaxation. Learn about the history of hypnosis, hypnotic phenomena such as hypnotic analgesia and post-hypnotic suggestions, and the applications of hypnotherapy in clinical settings. Study psychedelics and altered states. Gain insights into the effects of psychedelics, psychoactive substances that induce profound alterations in perception, mood, and consciousness. Learn about classic psychedelics such as LSD, psilocybin, and mescaline, as well as their effects on brain function, consciousness, and therapeutic potential in treating mental health disorders. Understand neurobiology of consciousness. Learn about the neurobiology of consciousness, the neural correlates and mechanisms underlying conscious experience. Explore theories of consciousness such as the Integrated Information Theory, IIT, the Neural Correlates of Consciousness, NCC, and the Global Neuronal Workspace, GNW, model, and how they relate to brain activity and cognitive function. Explore transpersonal psychology. Investigate transpersonal psychology, a subfield of psychology that explores spiritual and transcendent aspects of human experience. Learn about transpersonal states of consciousness, mystical experiences, near-death experiences, and the intersection of psychology with spirituality, mysticism, and Eastern philosophies. Stay informed about consciousness research. Keep up to date with the latest research, developments, and discoveries in the field of consciousness studies. Follow scientific journals, publications, and news outlets that cover consciousness research, neuroscience, psychology, and psychedelics. Engage with consciousness research communities, attend conferences, and participate in interdisciplinary collaborations to stay informed and contribute to the field. Engage in consciousness exploration practices. Explore consciousness exploration practices firsthand by engaging in meditation, mindfulness, breathwork, or other contemplative practices. Experiment with altered states of consciousness in safe and responsible ways, and reflect on your experiences to gain insights into the nature of consciousness and the mind-body connection. By following these steps and immersing yourself in the psychology of consciousness and altered states of mind, you can gain a deeper understanding of human consciousness, subjective experience, and the mysteries of the mind. Your exploration and engagement may contribute to advancements in consciousness research, mental health treatment, and our understanding of the nature of reality.